Hello, welcome back to Study Tech. Today we will discuss AMU previous question paper B.Ed Intelligence and General English 2013 to 14. Okay, let's start. First question: which of the following word cannot be made from the word exactly? Options: A. Late, B. Lace, C. Lake, D. Clay. The correct answer option C. Lake. Second question: which of the following word matches best to mustard, turmeric, coriander? Options: A. Cream, B. Pepper, C. Rice, D. Soup. Correct answer option B. Pepper. Third question: in certain code, CAT is written as SATC and deer is written as SEADR. How would sing be written in that code? Options: A. GNISS, B. SINGS, C. SGNIS, D. BGINS. The correct answer option B. SINGS. Fourth question: find the missing number in the series 16, 33, 65, 131, 261. Options: 523, 521, 613, 721. The correct answer is option A. 523, 523. Next question, fifth question. Find the missing term in the series CAT, FDW, IGZ. Options: A. KJA, B. KTC, C. LHD, D. LJC. Correct answer is option D. LJC. Sixth question. Name the series numbers. Name the serial numbers of the figure from option A to D which shall form the last figure of the problem sequence. Okay. Then options must watch this video and the correct answer is option B. Okay. Then the seventh question. Find the correct option which shall be following the sequence as indicated by 11:45, 3:50 and the fourth one. And the correct answer is option D. Eighth question. Name the correct option which shall be following the sequence as indicated by. Okay, the right side will be the sequence. Then the correct answer is option C. Okay, the double line and single line, double line and single line. That the correct answer option C. The ninth question. Find the missing number for the following graph from given alternatives. Okay, the right side will be graph 9, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. Then the correct answer is option C, 3, 4, 3. Okay. Then the next question, 10th question. Find the wrong term in the series 5, 27, 61, 122, 213, 340, 509. Okay. Then the options: A. 27, B. 61, C. 122, D. 509. The correct answer is option A. 29. Then 11th question. In the following series, which number will replace the question mark? 4, 32, 16, 128, 66. Options: 612, 512, 362, 412. The correct answer is option B, 512. Next question, 12th question. If house equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 equal to 6, 2, 3, 7, and boat equal to 8, 2, 9, 6, then those equal to options 6, 1, 2, 4, 7, B 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, C 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, D 6, 1, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is option B, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. 13th question. A stand for if A stand for division, B stand for multiplication, C stand for addition, and D stands for subtraction symbol, then 6A4 B 15C 3D2 equals. Okay. Options A 40, B 44, C 60, D none of these. The correct answer is option D, none of these. 14th question. What angle will be two hands of a clock make at 6:20 am? 6:20 am. Okay. Options A 45 degree, option B 75 degree, option C 60 degree, D 70 degree. The correct answer is option D, 70 degree. Okay. 15th question. While standing on his head, Sammy's face is towards south. In which direction will his right hand point? Options east, B northeast, C north, D southeast. Correct answer is option A, east. 16th question. The station master said to Mishu, a train for Aligarh leaves, the next train will leave at 5:30. At what time this information was given to Mishu by the station master? Options 3:45, 2:15, 3:55, D none of these. Correct answer is option C, 3:55. Next question. There are 5 books A, B, C, D, E. The book C lies above D, book E is below A, D is above A, B is below E. Which book is at the bottom? Options E, B, A, C. The correct answer is option B, B. Okay. 18th question. Sangeeta is taller than Sabha, but not as tall the Prerna. Priya is shorter than Heba. Who is taller than Sangeeta? Who is the tallest among these girls? Options Sabha, Prerna, Hiba. Data is inadequate. The correct answer is Prerna. Okay, option B. 19th question. Deepak is brother of Ravi. Rega is sister of Adul. Ravi is son of Rega. How is Deepak related to Rega? Options A, son, B, brother, C, nephew, and D, father. The correct answer is option A, son. The next question, 20th question. Karitka was born on 15th September 1992 and Smita was born 10 days before her. If Independence Day of that year fall on Thursday, which day was Smita's birthday? Option Sunday, B Monday, D Tuesday, D Friday. The correct answer is option B, Monday. 21st question. If the following words are arranged as they are found in the dictionary, which one of the arrangement is correct? 1. Select, B. Seldom, 3. Sent, 4. Selfish, 5. Cello. And the correct answer is B. 2, 1, 4, 5, 3. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, please.